pay already, so we gonna win.
And we paid our coin.
They got our money.
Welcome back to my channel. Look, we're both vlogging, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our video. And we're gonna show you guys everything that we do. And right now, what are we about to do? We're about to go to the Hudson Yards just to look at it. So we'll take you guys with us. And there's Hudson Yards. I came here the last time McKinley and I came to New York Fashion Week, but this time I'm here with Morgan. Okay, so we're at our hotel. I like the shower. It's super cute. And let's see. Oh, if I put my camera will, oh, there it goes. Okay. Yes, it's giving. The bed is nice. Everything's clean. I'm here for it, period. You did a good job picking out the hotel. And we are on the...
Now, a lot of stuff is booked up though.
I'm sure. And we are on the 39th floor. I hope you guys can see the 31st. Oh, the 31st. My gosh. It goes up to 41. It goes up to 41. I have a Caribbean night. We're going to Brooklyn. And I'm wearing this outfit by Silk Mason. They sent this over to me. I will link it down below. And yeah, we're about to have a good time. And I think it's cute. You guys know I love like a royal blue color. And Morgan is wearing... Tell them.
Amazon, ASOS,
okay,
H&M,
okay,
Etsy. That's it.
And bobbing it. And bobbing it. Same thing?
Yeah.
So we're back in the room now and we're about to call it a night because tomorrow we have a long day of fun activities and yeah, it's time to go to bed. So night. Guys, good morning.
Good morning. Me pat my head. This weed, baby.
We're about to do a quick little TikTok or something. Story, transition, whatever. And then we're gonna get dressed because we're going to, what place first?
The Summit.
Oh, the Summit. The Summit first. And then we're going to brunch and then we're going to the color factory.
Yes.
Factory, yeah. Okay, so yeah. So our outfits for the day, I'm wearing an overall, a faux leather overall situation from Zara, and this top is actually, it was gifted to me from a black owned business. I'll try to remember where exactly I got it from, but I will link it if I can find the link. Of course, my artisan jewelry, if you can kind of see it. And my earrings are from TJ Maxx. My sunnies are from Amazon. My ponytail is by my mother. And I'm wearing my Lucky Greens. And this one.
Pants from Zara. H&M blazer. Bralette. I think this bralette is from Target. Free People sunnies. This bag is from Target.
Okay, and your shoes. Where'd you get it from? StockX?
Yes.
Or Flight Club?
Flight Club.
Flight Club.
Flight Club.
Cute. So we have to put these things on our shoes because everything upstairs is glass. And then they gave us these little sunnies. What color did you get? Oh, we both got silver. Cute.
Big smiles right here. You're gonna hold it.
Cheese. Oh gosh. Dun 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 dun. Ooh. Oh, this is lit. I love it. I do too. Oh, we gotta take pictures in here. Hey yo, this is so crazy. At the summit right now, it is so cool. Coolest thing ever. It's really cool. We'll leave the details down below for both of our vlogs. As you see, everything. We're up. From Monroe Steel, but Morgan chose to come to. But so cute. I like the vibes in here. So we just finished eating brunch at the Dutch, and now we are heading to the Color Factory. And then later on tonight, we're gonna go to some shows and a showcase, right? Tonight? Yeah. And yeah, so we'll see you when we get to the Color Factory. Bye. We're not going to the Color Factory.
Not today.
Not today, we're going tomorrow. The line was way too long, but we're about to head to
Global Fashion Collective show. So
we're gonna have a good time. Huh?
I said we'll see what they're talking about.
Yeah, but we're gonna come back to the Color Factory tomorrow. Oh, good morning, guys. It is snowing outside, but we're about to go to a showcase, and then we're gonna try to make it to the Color Factory.
Oh, we gonna make it to the Color Factory.
We're gonna make it to the Color Factory
already, so we going.
And we paid our coin.
They got our money.
Can we do this for a living? We could do this for a living. We could definitely take pictures for a living. That would be amazing. We're gonna put it in the universe and pray about that. But we're here now at Spring Studios. My glasses are definitely fogging up, but we're here at Spring Studios now, about to go inside.
Thank you, ladies.
So pretty.
I know that's right. Made in Italy. Yes, ma'am.
I love it.
This is our version of also the PVC meal. And this is a platform. It comes with a leather strap.
I'm obsessed.
Yeah,
with
you
this
like
one.
platforms.
This one is me.
This is
right
me.
here.
This is me. This is me. It's beautiful. Wow.
I sprained my ankle. I had an accident, so for 3 to 4 years I couldn't wear heels. So it was a very, I know it was very devastating for me because growing up I used to model and I'm like 5'5", I'm really short. So I could wear like high heels and like cover it with like jean and no one would know. So not being able to wear heels, I was so frustrated. I was like, I have to find a better way to do it. And
I'm obsessed.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
She wore this with this underneath.
Oh, the skirt is everything.
Yeah. My brand is Kiyama. I'm celebrating luxury and while empowering the community through style and grace.
I know that's right.
Beautiful.
So I started off sewing when I was younger at 8. I went to college for it and been taking on customers and clients. By Damien and I, Book Design. And we launched last year, February.
Okay.
So it's going to be a year since we launched our collection.
Pizza.
This is some of the best pizza in New York.
And what is it called?
Prince Street Pizza.
Pizza. Her. Oh, we got to see some fashions coming down. Cute pink coat. I love that.
He's the villain.
Got our pizza. And I can't wait to eat it.
The best pizza ever.
Okay. Good. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Good eats. No, it's fine. I'm about to put my soda on top.
Yeah, that's smart.
Good eats, good eats.